Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender here with the moment que amarás. Hey, by the way, Marquitos, thank you so much. Now I have my little mat right here. And have you ever seen a marriage between tequila and mezcal?
No.
Well, obviously we have the Oaxaca old fashioned, but today we're gonna elevate the game. We're gonna elevate it with Vuelo del Aviador Plata and Amarás Blanco Espadín, and we're gonna teach you how to make the white old fashioned. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how to pour and make this amazing twist on the old fashioned. All right, so first of all, guys, two of the best products that there are in the market. Mezcal Amarás Espadín Joven, one of the most beautiful mezcals that you can have, and Tequila Vuelo del Aviador Blanco. For those people that they have and enjoy in their palate, tequila with a little hints of sweetness. So this is a beautiful cocktail that we are pouring right now currently at my work. And well, it's a little bit elaborated because it comes with two other ingredients. You're gonna need to have creme de cacao, clear. So the gift for it, I found that it's absolutely divine. This thing is so good. And if you guys hang on, pretty soon I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful clear chocolate martini, which is delish. And obviously the really hard guy in America to find right now, the Green Chartreuse. So let's put hands into this cocktail. We're gonna need a mixer glass. We're gonna need lots and lots of ice. Vuelo del Aviador Plata. Huh.
Guys, be quiet.
My Jäger. Nos han robado production. Jäger. Ounce and a half. Amarás Joven. Half an ounce. Creme de cacao. Half an ounce. This guy is sweet enough to balance everything perfectly, so you don't need anything else. But the beautiful and herbal touch in this cocktail, and what actually makes it enticing all around, is the green chartreuse. You're just gonna need 1 bar spoon. And let's stir. Just make sure that everything is beautifully chilled and lightly diluted. If you can put your hands on a clear rock, that'll be even better. But if not, rocks, a big sphere, or a clear rock, it will do a beautiful work for this guy. We want to finalize it with oils of an orange, oils of a lemon, and an orange peel. And there you have it. The white old fashioned by Vuelo del Aviador Plata and Mezcal Amarás. Cheers, everyone, and for all of you guys that enjoy any of the spirits made out of agave, this is a beautiful and thing that you must do. Cheers, everyone. Please remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.